boy, Bear. Mommy's coming. Good boy. Mommy's coming to get you. Don't go in the water. We don't have his life jacket on yet.
He's just growling at me now. I think we can get him on the boat.
Oh, shoot. Just a minute, Bear. Mommy's coming. Wait for Mama. Here she comes. Okay, Bear. Okay, get in the kayak. Get in the kayak. Not with me. Good boy. Sit, sit, sit. Good boy, Bear. Stay. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy.
You are so impressive.
What a good boy. Stay. Stay.
I can't believe it. You did it. I can believe it, but...
Good boy.
Good boy, Bear.
Good boy.
Okay, now I'm going to go get his life jacket, okay?
Okay, stay.
Good boy, Bear.
Good boy, Bear. Good boy. Good stay. Good boy. What a good puppy.
Does this go this way?
Yeah. It's going to be hard to put on when he's laying down.
This is going to be... He's going to growl and be not happy.
Good boy, Bear. Good boy.
Bear?
Good puppy. Good boy. It velcros in the front.
Okay, I got to get him to sit up.
Oh, can you sit, puppy? Sit down. Good boy. Stay. Good boy.
Good boy, Bear.
Good boy, puppy.
Bear.
Yay.
I'm trying to protect you because Daddy loves you. Mom, you're not going to go too far, are you?
No. There's 2 buckles. You got them both or just one?
I don't have any buckles right now. It's too tight. It's not right. Something isn't right here. He's not happy.
Okay. Stay. Sit. Sit.
It's better than nothing, Mama.
Sit. Good boy. Okay, I'm just going to go for a little bit.
Okay.
Turn around and come back.
I'll sit right here.
Good boy, Bear. Stay. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy.
Good boy. You're an amazing dog, Bear.
What a good boy. Yay, Bear. Stay. Stay. Almost done. Yeah, I think he will. I'm going to give you his treats. Good boy. Okay, Bear. Oopsie. You're going to have to pull it close.
Yeah.
Like you did before.
Come on, Bear. Let's go. Come on.
Okay, give him this whole package, Dada.
Okay.
Stay. Stay, Bear. I'll come up.
Okay, you come up.
It's open, so I can't throw it. Bear, Bear, you are a good boy, and I'll see you later.